Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Today I am going to take a new lesson, lesson 8 why. What is this why? WHY. Why that you call in Hindi, that you say in Hindi, क्यों है ना. So this why, WHY is a question word. We always use this why to ask questions. We all have questions sometimes, isn't it? What are the different questions we have? So many questions. When we look outside, we can see so many things, and obviously there arises doubt about these things, and we ask some the questions to our elders, our father, mother, teachers, or to our friend. Sometimes they can clarify our doubt, sometimes they cannot, because sometimes our questions will be very irritating or very nonsense questions. Okay, so here a boy is asking questions to his father, and he is asking some reasonable questions, genuine questions, but some are irritating. Okay, so here I will read the paragraph. What are the questions the boy asking to his dad? Okay, that we will learn. I will read the paragraph, you listen. All of you take out your page number 68. First paragraph. Why are the leaves always green, Dad? Why are there thorns on a rose? Why do you want my neck clean, Dad? Why do hairs grow from your nose? What he is asking? Why are the leaves always green, Dad? The leaves are green. We know that the color of the leaves are green. No. So why the color is green, Dad? Why are there thorns on a rose? Thorns, Thorns. Thorns means kanta. No. So we know that a rose plant has beautiful flowers, leaves, and thorns. Why these thorns occur, Dad? Then why do you want my neck clean? You always say clean your neck, clean your body, clean your hands. No. Why do you want my neck clean, Dad? Then why do hairs grow from your nose? I can see hair. Hair means bal. Hair from your nose. Why these hairs growing in your nose? Okay. Then next he asked, why can dogs hear what we can't, Dad? The dogs can hear some special sounds, but we can't hear that sounds. Why? Why it is happening? Why has the engine just stalled? Engine stalled. Stalled means stopped. Why it is stopped? Why it cannot turn off? Okay. Turn on. Why it cannot turn on? Why it is stopped? Why are you rude about aunt, Dad? You are always become rude to aunt, no? Angry to the aunt. Why it is happening? Why are you going all bald? Bald means genja. You are becoming bald. Why? Why it is happening? Okay. Then next. Why is mom taller than you, Dad? Why can't the dog stand the cat? Why is grandpa got a mustache, Dad? Why are you growing more fat? Why is mom taller than you? Mom is taller than you. Why? Why can't the dog stand the cat? The dog and the cats are always in me. Why they are not going friendly? Why is grandpa got a mustache, Dad? Mustache means mooch. No, that you call in Hindi. So why grandpa got a mustache, Dad? Why are you growing more fat? You are becoming more fat. Mota, no? Why this is happening? Then next. Why don't you answer my questions? I have asked all these questions, but you are not answering my questions. Why don't you answer my questions? You used to, you don't anymore. You don't know anything. Why? Tell me why. Tell me why. This boy is insisting, irritating his dad. No. Tell me why. Tell me why. Do you think that I am a bore? Are you thinking I am a boring boy? Am I irritating you, Dad? Okay. Okay, this boy is asking these type of questions to his dad. Okay, some questions are good questions. No, so some are very difficult. That means dad cannot say the answer. Okay, so read this chapter well and answer to the following. That means page number 70. You have to take your page number 70, and this is your homework. Okay, complete the following. Page number 70. Complete the following. Why are the leaves? That you have to write in copy. Okay, page number 70, A part. Complete the following. Why are the leaves dash? Why are the leaves always green, dad? You can write it from the book. Complete the sentence. Why are the leaves always green, dad? Then, why do hairs, that is also in the same paragraph, grow from your nose? Then third, why has the engine just stalled? Why don't you answer my questions? Okay, so these lines you have to fill in the book, then write in copy. This is your homework. Okay, all of you, the next class, the next exercise I will explain. Okay, so read this chapter 2-3 times, and this poem, first 8 lines you have to by heart. So I will ask questions in the examination. Okay, oral examination is also there, so all of you learn the first 8 lines of this poem. Okay, then the page number 70, A part, you have to complete in your copy, do as homework. Okay, understood? Bye.